हमने ये भी पहले कहा था कि 130 सीटों तक यदि हमें मिल जाता है तो हम उसे स्वीकार कर लेंगे। और इतने स्पष्ट संवाद के बाद और ये भी हमने कहा है कि जो सीटें सबसे खराब आपको लगती हैं, जो शिवसेना आज तक कभी नहीं जीत पाई, आप उन सबसे खराब सीटों को उठा करके भारतीय जनता पार्टी के खाते में दो, ताकि हम अपनी संख्या बढ़ा सके, महाराष्ट्र में सरकार बना सके। और मुझे लगता है कि इससे बड़े उदारता के साथ और क्या कोई प्रस्ताव हो सकता है। राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी ने संवाद दे दिया है और मुझे लगता है कि शिवसेना इस पर जरूर विचार करेगी।
The BJP hasn't given up hope yet, even though there are signs that the Shiv Sena-BJP alliance in Maharashtra is teetering on the brink, with talks over seat sharing for state polls deadlocked for months. The BJP rejected Shiv Sena's proposal over seat sharing at the meeting of its top leaders in New Delhi on Sunday, and authorized party President Amit Shah to take a decision on the future of the 25-year-old alliance. Reports suggest that Amit Shah spoke with Shiv Sena President Uddhav Thackeray on the phone and urged him to rethink his stand on seat sharing with the BJP. BJP sources say Shah told Uddhav that the BJP is keen that the alliance stays. However, a section of the BJP has warned that the party will stamp the alliance with Shiv Sena and go it alone in the assembly polls.
शिवसेना को बार बार हमने पर्याय बताया है, शिवसेना की ओर से इंतजार है और मैं समझता हूं कि शिवसेना की ये जिम्मेदारी है कि महाराष्ट्र के हित के लिए, महाराष्ट्र में कांग्रेस राष्ट्रवादी को सत्ता से खदेड़ने के लिए शिवसेना ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ में मिलकर चुनाव लड़ना चाहिए। अब निर्णय शिवसेना को करना है।
On the other hand, the Shiv Sena has also dug in its heels. Sources say Uddhav has told his party leaders that it won't settle for less than 151 seats. Shiv Sena's mouthpiece Samna has said that just like Shiv Sena backed BJP's mission 272, it should reciprocate by backing its mission 150. Differences emerged between the Shiv Sena and the BJP over seat sharing for the Maharashtra Assembly elections after BJP sought a higher share of seats than it has traditionally contested following its impressive performance in the Lok Sabha polls. The Maharashtra Assembly has 288 seats. In 2009 Assembly polls, the Shiv Sena had contested 169 seats and the BJP on 119. When the seat-sharing negotiations with the Shiv Sena began for the October 15 elections, the BJP proposed that both parties contest on 135 seats each and distribute the remaining 18 seats among the smaller allies of the Mahayuti. In the latest proposal, the BJP has agreed to contest 130 seats and is awaiting a word from the Shiv Sena. But the Shiv Sena has so far stuck to contesting 151 seats and leaving 119 for the BJP. The BJP is demanding a share from the 59 assembly seats where the Shiv Sena has never won an election. Amid the tug of war over seat sharing, the RSS has voiced optimism that both parties will resolve their differences and keep their alliance intact.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और शिवसेना राजनीतिक क्षेत्र के अंदर वर्षों से एक दूसरे के मित्र और सहयोगी हैं। दोनों ने हर सुख दुख के अंदर साझा काम किया है और मुझे ये पूरा विश्वास है कि वह अपनी मित्रता को सब प्रकार के संकटों में से निकालकर उसको बनाकर रखेंगे। आज महाराष्ट्र और भारत की जरूरत भी है कि उनकी मित्रता बनी रहनी चाहिए।
Nominations for the Maharashtra Assembly elections close on the 27th of September. With the election less than a month away, time is running out. It remains to be seen if the allies will pull back from the brink and clear the cloud over the future of their alliance just in time. Newsnight Desk, DD News.